Here's Blue, my baby. And Blue has got a new favorite game. Her new favorite game is shredding Cheerios. She doesn't eat them, she just shreds them. And even though she's not totally hand tame and still occasionally tries to bite me, what is amazing is she's not even biting me at all. No matter how small that Cheerio gets, she still isn't biting my hand. She could do this all day if I would let her. That's a good girl. She doesn't like to do it inside the cage, or I'd put my hand in there, although she will eat from my hand. For some reason, she just likes shredding them through the bars. So that's the way we play. She doesn't want to do it any other way. Oh, got that one fast. Here's some more. Here's another one. Oh, goodness, yes, that's a big one. She's being very gentle, but she loves shredding her Cheerios. She also loves just throwing them around in her cage. She thinks they're ring toss. But this is way better than tossing them around. Goodness. Is that fun, Blue? What do you think? You want some more? You want some more? You want some more? You want more? I have more. You want some? Yes? Aw. You ready for some more? Are you going to ring your bell? Don't get mad. Here's some more. There you go. That is so fun. That is the funnest thing ever, right? Well, the funnest thing in the cage, right? I know the funnest thing out of the cage, but good job. Want some more? Let's see what she'll do if I move my hand in the cage. I'm going to see if she'll take them in the cage. No, not nearly as fun. She wants it through the bars, so let's try it. There she goes. That's more fun. Good job, good job. We're going to do some more? Oh, sorry, my mason, you reached too far. There you go. There's Blue enjoying her Cheerio shredding. Not inside, but outside. That's the best part. Say hello, Blue. Say hello. You want some more? I know. This is the most fun thing ever. Oh, good girl. Good girl.